Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm you're on a teacher account and that the assignment exists. Once done, open the assignment, choose Originality Reports, and enable it for this task so Google can scan. Upload a sample file or wait for student submissions. You must set the due date and restrict late turns if you want a clean batch. Make sure the class roster is synced to avoid missing matches, because the checker compares across submitted work and public sources. Next, review reports. Open a student's submission and click View Originality Report. You'll see highlighted passages, percent match scores, and link sources. Use the side panel to inspect each source and decide if matches are common phrases or substantial overlap. Pause to read context. Sometimes quotes or correct citations inflate the score. Once you identify questionable passages, add private comments or return the work for revision. This helps teach proper citation rather than just penalize. Finally, act on findings. You can return the assignment with feedback, request a resubmission, or record academic integrity concerns. When returning, point to specific lines and recommend citation formats so students learn. Make sure to manually accept legitimate quotes by noting them in comments, because the system flags text, not intent. If a report fails to generate, check that Originality Reports are enabled, file types are supported, and student files fully uploaded. Then refresh, and contact your G Suite admin if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.